What if I told you that somewhere on Earth, entire skyscrapers are built in just 19 days, giant airports are constructed in the middle of the ocean, and 8,000-ton buildings can literally walk to a new location without a single crack? Sounds fake, right? Well, welcome to China, where the future isn't coming. It's already here. In the next 10 minutes, you're going to witness the kind of construction science that makes Hollywood movies look outdated. This is China's secret world of engineering madness, and it's 100 years ahead of everyone else. So buckle up, because what you're about to see, you won't believe it's real. Welcome to a reality. Imagine this. Your favorite historic building is about to be destroyed forever. But instead of demolishing it, engineers do the unthinkable. They make the building walk. This isn't a joke. In the heart of Shanghai, China pulled off one of the most mind-blowing engineering stunts in history. The Guangxi Shikumen Complex, a massive 8,000-ton building rich with cultural heritage, was blocking a planned subway and shopping mall project. In any other country, this monument would have been torn down without hesitation. But China said, "No, we'll move it." Literally. They installed nearly 200 robotic hydraulic legs underneath the structure. These weren't just jacks. They were programmable walkers. One by one, each robotic leg lifted and stepped, like the entire building had grown mechanical feet. It took 18 days of inch-by-inch movement, and when the dust settled, not a single window cracked, not one brick fell. Think about that for a second. An entire historic building was walked across the street, and then gently returned to its original place. This wasn't just preservation. It was a technological miracle, a message to the world. We don't destroy our past. We carry it forward. For thousands of years, we've built our homes the same way, brick by brick, hand by hand, mistake by mistake. But what if we told you that in China, human hands are no longer needed to build walls? Meet China's robotic construction army. They don't talk, they don't take breaks, and they definitely don't make mistakes. These machines are now laying perfectly aligned bricks, faster than any human ever could, day and night, without a single complaint. No rest, no fatigue, no error. These AI-powered bricklayers use laser measurements to place every brick with pinpoint accuracy, so smooth, it looks like a wall printed by a 3D printer. But that's just the beginning. The walls still need finishing, right? Enter China's plastering bots. Instead of messy buckets and uneven coating, these robots apply perfect layers of plaster, faster than any crew. No lumps, no patches, no wasted material. The result? A finish so smooth, you'd think the wall was digitally rendered. And while the rest of the world debates labor shortages and rising costs, China's already solved it with robots that build better than humans ever could. These machines aren't just tools. They are the future of construction, silent, tireless, unstoppable. What if I told you that in less time than it takes to build a small house, China built a skyscraper? Not 10 floors, not 20, but a jaw-dropping 57 floors in just 19 days. This isn't a rumor. It's real. In the city of Changsha, China did the impossible. They constructed a high-rise tower called Mini Sky City at lightning speed. How is that even possible? The secret lies in something called modular construction technology, a futuristic method where buildings are assembled like Lego sets. Every single piece of the building, walls, floors, plumbing, even electrical wiring, was pre-built inside a climate-controlled factory. Everything arrived on site like a massive puzzle. And then, cranes snapped the modules together, floor after floor, 3 stories a day. No weather delays, no wasted time, no chaos. In just 19 days, China delivered a tower that would take other countries 2 to 3 years to build. But this wasn't just a race against the clock. It was a message to the world. We don't wait for the future. We manufacture it. China proved that when innovation meets precision, you don't just build faster, you build smarter. Most countries build airports where there's space, far from cities, tucked between mountains or on flat farmland. But what do when there's no land left to build on? In China, the answer was simple. You build your own land. Welcome to the Dalian Offshore Airport, a monstrous mega-project rising not on soil, but in the middle of the ocean. That's right. China is building an entire artificial island just to host this futuristic airport. No reclaimed swamp, no shallow bay, just pure engineering against nature. The project began in 2011, and once completed by 2026, it will become the largest offshore airport on the planet. But building on water isn't easy. The ocean moves, it erodes, it fights back. So how did China solve it? Engineers designed multi-layered protections, anti-seismic shock systems, storm surge barriers, advanced marine foundations, all built to resist tsunamis, earthquakes, erosion, and time. Once operational, the airport will host international flights, cargo terminals, and high-speed connectivity, just like any modern airport. Except this one floats on the sea. This isn't just infrastructure, it's China's declaration to the world. If land ends, we'll just create more. Skyscrapers built in 19 days, buildings that walk, airports rising from the ocean. This isn't just construction. This is a message from China to the world. The future waits for no one. You either build it, or you get left behind. And while most of us are stuck in yesterday, China is already living in tomorrow. So the question is, are we just going to keep watching? Or are we finally going to learn, adapt, and rise too? If you believe innovation should be celebrated, learned from, and shared, then don't just scroll. Hit that like button. Share this video with someone who still thinks it can't be done. And make sure to subscribe, because this was just the beginning. In our next video, we uncover the Chinese mega-project so secret, Google Maps won't even show it. Trust me, you won't believe it exists.